Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to discuss a product which I have been using it for the past few months and have experienced some wonderful results. It is a popular product in the hearing health industry and has already surprised many people with its capabilities. Including few of my other friends, have used it and got some positive results which we were seeking desperately from past few years. Throughout the video, I'll get into more details about this product. Also, I have put the link of the official website where I bought Synapse XT from at a very good discount, just in case you want to get it for yourself. It's a supplement called Synapse XT, which is capable of regulating our hearing problems. Everything like less hearing or even hearing or ringing sounds can be managed by this amazing supplement. I have met a lot of people who are struggling with their ear-related problems but are not able to find their best cure just because of a lack of knowledge. Some are even involved in time-waste products and techniques which are not even effective or are baseless for their particular problem. Seeing all this misinformation and absence of guidance, I decided to come forward to teach you some fundamentals about how to take care of your ear. First of all, let me make this very clear that our ear does not work alone. I mean to say that it is a whole system in total. The ear, eardrum, cholera, nervous system, brain and many more biological parts of our body are segment of the hearing system. To make it short, just remember that for good hearing health, we need to take a proper care of the ears but following some set of rules and also by providing them with all the essential nutrients. The first part, which the proper set of rules include all the basic laws which everybody should follow, such as not putting earbuds inside your ear, not trying to remove the earwax, not listening to loud music, avoiding the use of earphones, headphones can be used instead, etc. But the most important thing which almost all of us lack is a proper diet for our hearing health. We always tend to ignore the vitamins and minerals which are essential for our hearing system. Though the nutrients are not easily available in our day-to-day meals, but can be taken in the form of supplements. A product specially created to target all the hearing health issues is designed and is known as Synapse XT. It is a supplement used to fulfill all the nutrients requirements by our hearing department. Now the main question arises that how does Synapse XT actually work? Although it has a lot of success stories and even mine is a success story which we'll discuss some other day, but even then also nobody has talked about its working mechanism. I think that it would be very informative and interesting for you guys to know the working mechanism of Synapse XT before you actually try it. We'll not discuss very deep technicalities but just some basic principles which you should learn so as to know your body and its working more properly. So let's first know the connection between the ears and brain for proper listening. Our brain is connected with our ears with a network of nerves that transmits the sound signals to it. These sounds are converted to audio by our brain, which later on we interpret. All this happens in a fraction of a second. Now moving on to the working mechanism of the supplement, let me tell you that it is divided into 4 basic parts. The first step as soon as we take the supplement is detoxification. The Synapse XT has the ingredients which directly targets the toxins and other harmful substances, which is the biggest reason behind the faulty ear. The ingredients present in the capsule clean the nerves and flushes out all the unwanted material. Once the detoxification is done, the next steps of nourishment comes. In this step, the body is infused with various vital nutrients which are already not present in the body. These nutrients are important because they provide a cognitive boost to the body, which directly improves the memory and focuses on an individual. It also leads to higher concentration power. Nourishment tends to flourish the whole system and gives an immense boost to our listening powers. After this stress relief substance comes into play, they work as a stress buster for the patient. After facing all those buzzing and ringing sounds for a very long time, it gives a person the sense of relaxation and clarity of thoughts. It even improves the sleep quality, which helps in increasing the immunity to fight with the bacteria and toxins in the future. This slowly and gradually makes your body self-sufficient to fight these toxins on its own and eliminates the dependence on any kind of supplement. In the later stages comes the repair system. All the damage caused to the ear and the hearing system, including nerves and brains, is now revamped. Strengthening of the nerves now takes place, which progressively builds up the whole auditory system. The ingredients of the supplements protect the nerves and brain from any further damage and heal the already happened damage to the best. And this is the stage that explains the reason to start with taking care at an early age. Because if the nerve damage has already reached its worst condition, it may become a very difficult task even for the supplement to cure it. All these steps go around with each other on a daily basis and work in a very systematic manner. Missing even a single day in between the medication may not give you the expected results. I will suggest you to take daily 1 capsule with hot water. Taking it just before sleeping at night will be the cherry on top of the cake, because the night gives the supplement adequate time to complete its task properly. Since all our organs, including the ears and nerves, are in the complete rest, they get the proper time to heal themselves. But not to worry. Since Synapse XT is an all-rounder and comes with some superpowers which can cater to your hearing issues with a short span of time. Isn't it amazing that our body is very big mystery which needs to be studied correctly if you really want to enjoy your life? We all spend tons of money in buying sound systems, be it headphones or earphones, but this time we should consider our health first and consider this supplement as a priority over other materialistic things. Also, I've put the link of the official website where I bought Synapse XT from at a very good discount, just in case you want to get it for yourself. At this very reasonable price, it is a steal deal that you should never miss out on. Moreover, it is always good to invest in your health development rather than spending huge amounts on later surgeries. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you'll have a great day ahead. Goodbye.